Hi guys, this is my second class and today I'm going to teach you about the present simple. Give me 1 second, let me share my screen because I want to teach you about, first of all, what are the general uses about the present simple tense. First of all, we need to remind that the present simple is the most basic grammar tense in English. So this is very simple, very easy to understand, but it's always that we need to keep in consideration at the moment to speak or the moment to write. First of all, let's talk about what are the uses. The first uses for present simple is when we want to talk about habits, for habits. Let's see here. We got, he drinks tea at breakfast. We know that every breakfast time, this guy, he drinks breakfast. He drinks tea, my bad. Or for example, if the third example, say here, it says that they watch television regularly. So we know that it's very likely that they right now are watching TV. And we can use the present simple when we want to talk about this habit. For repeated action or even is another use of present simple. It's a little different, but at the same time similar to habits, but there are some differences. For example, let's see the third example. They drive to Monaco every summer. No, the whole year they are going to Monaco, just every summer. We know that every summer they will go to Monaco. Or in a specific season, it'll happen something. For example, it rains every afternoon in the hot season. Okay, and this is another use of present simple. The third use is for general truth. Let's see the examples. Water freezes at 0 degrees. This means that once the water gets 0 degrees, will get freezed. Another example is the earth revolves around the sun, or the sun rises up from the east. Something that is very important and you need to keep in mind this, it's try to remember the grammar. If we are talking about he or she or it, the verb you need to add the letter S. Okay, the drinks, eats, rains. There are some exceptions, but later on this class we're going to talk about that. But try to always keep in mind this. If you're talking about he, she, or it, you need to add the letter S at the end of the verb. Okay. Okay, for instructions or directions is the fourth use of present simple. It's absolutely normal, and every time you see food recipes, you will see this tense because it's something easy to explain. You need to do this, and then you need to do that. Nothing else. For example, open the packet and pour the contents into the hot water. You take the number 6 bus to Watney, and then the number 3 bus to Bedford. You know, it's something easy. That's why we can use present simple at the moment of giving instructions or directions. For fixed arrangements, this means that if we have something fixed, I don't know, a date or something important we have in a specific moment and it's fixed, we are able to use, we are allowed to use present simple. Let's see our examples. Our holiday starts on the 26th March, or his mother arrives tomorrow. Try always to be specific at the moment of talk about fixed arrangements. You can use present simple, but try to be specific. In the first example, this says his mother arrives, but specify when, tomorrow. And also it's happened on this one. Our holiday starts on the 26th March. Maybe in that moment it's March 24th or something, or almost 24, a couple of days after the 26th, but you're specifying, you're being specific about when it'll be this holiday. And this also will happen when we are talking about future constructions, which is the last use of present simple. She'll see you before she leaves. We'll give it to her when she arrives. If you see here on this example, they are being too specific because she'll see you, she will see you, she will see me once she leaves. Or she will or will give to her once she arrives. And on the second part, it's using the present simple, but on the first part, it's being specific about that this will happen in the future. Okay, and okay, this is are the uses. If you have a question, please let me know and we can answer it. Okay, thank you so much.